Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Alice's Kitchen. Now in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I prepared this amazing juicy steak with creamy Cajun shrimp sauce. If you haven't subscribed to my channel as yet, please go ahead and do so. Also, to turn on your post notifications, you can always be notified whenever I upload a new video. Now, let us cook. Here I have my steak, and this is my favorite cut. This is T-bone cut. Now I'm gonna be seasoning this with salt and pepper, and you want to season it on both sides. So guys, I'm gonna be placing this on a grill. Well, I'm gonna be cooking it on the grill first. I wanted this to work so badly because I realized the grill wasn't really heated much. So I'm actually gonna be finishing this off in a skillet. But I'm gonna be grilling this for about 2 minutes on each side. Then we'll just finish it in the skillet because I do like my steak to be medium well. Now guys, this is really what I wanted and it just wasn't working, man. This was not working. I was so disappointed. So I'm just gonna finish searing this in the skillet, and I'm just gonna sear this for about another minute and a half to two on both sides as well. Once it's cooked to your preference, you want to add butter, garlic. If you have rosemary, you can add rosemary. I'm adding thyme because that's what I have. Then I'm going to be spooning all this amazing aromatic on the steak because this is going to taste so good, guys. The flavor, oh my goodness. This was so good. I'm not even joking right now. This was amazing. So I'm just spooning all this amazingness on the steak, you know. Yeah, and we're gonna let it rest in there. Now we're gonna start off with our shrimp. Here I'm adding garlic and onion powder. And then I'm gonna be adding some dried parsley flakes. Cajun season, and some meat season, and black pepper. Then we're just gonna combine that until the shrimps are fully coated. And then we're gonna sear this in a skillet on medium heat. Now you want to cook your shrimp for about 2 minutes on each side. Ensure not to overcook it or it's just going to be tough and rubbery and it's not really appetizing to be eating a tough shrimp, you know. So, but if that's your preference, you know, okay. Now here I am turning the shrimp and I'm looking for this amazing perfect sear, just beautiful golden brown. Now I'm gonna finish this for another 2 minutes or so. And then we're gonna remove it from the heat. Now I'm removing the shrimp and we're gonna set those aside also, and it's time to make our cream sauce. Now in that same skillet on medium heat, I'm adding a tablespoon of butter, allow that to melt, then I'm adding chopped garlic and onion. We're gonna stir this for about 25 to 30 seconds until it's fragrant and your entire neighborhood is smelling everything. That's when you know it's time to add your thickening agent. Yeah, so here I'm adding a tablespoon of flour. We're just gonna cook this, then we're gonna add our half and half. If you guys are using heavy cream, you don't have to add the flour. So because I didn't have heavy cream on hand, and that's why I'm adding the flour, just to give the sauce thickness, body. Yeah. So I add my half and half. And ensure that your temperature, guys, is on medium low. And then I went ahead and I add some Cajun season, and this is just going to give it additional flavor. And then here I am adding back the shrimp. And that gravy from the shrimp. Nothing goes to waste. You're just gonna mix everything together, and it's really, guys, this is all done. The sauce was so creamy and delicious. I wish I had cream cheese, guys. Oh my goodness, it will definitely kick it up a notch, but next time definitely. So now I'm just pouring that shrimp sauce over our amazing medium well steak. And guys, I will be serving this with baked potato. I'm gonna add some of that sauce or baked potato, and I'm just gonna finish that with some chopped cilantro. And yeah, this is the final product, guys. I do hope you guys enjoyed the video as much as I enjoy preparing it for you guys. And I just want to tell you guys, thanks for stopping by to watch another one of my amazing videos. I thank you guys so much for tuning in. Remember to subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on your post notifications so you can always be notified whenever I upload a new video. Bye.